Here's the thing, most brand scalers get wrong. They're targeting other brand scalers or startups with no money. Meanwhile, there's a massive untapped market selling right in front of them. Local businesses with real money with zero digital presence. I'm talking about a plumber doing $200K a year without a website, a barbershop with a loyal customer base with no way to take bookings online, a boutique shop that's been open for 10 years with no Google listing. These are not broke clients. These are real businesses with real money. They haven't just been approached the right way. And that's where you come in as a freelance brand scaler. You're not just building them a website, you're building them an entire digital brand and online presence. And that's worth real money. So, how do you find these businesses at scale? This is where Client Finder comes in. And this is why I use it. The old way, go to Google Maps, manual search, barbershops, contractors, roofers, and click through every single listing and check if they have a website, note it down on the spreadsheet, and repeat for hours. I used to do that, and it was painful, and it was slow, and a lot of work. But Client Finder does that all automatically with AI. You jump in, pick your niche. Let's say you do roofers. Contractors in Atlanta, within seconds, you have a full list of businesses without websites, ones that do have websites, their contact info, and the estimated amount that you can make off of each business. It literally tells you who's worth your time before you even make a call. Lead quality score, revenue, and contact info all right in one spot. Literally does all the work for you. You can literally filter out the lead quality so you're only looking at high value prospects and you're not just guessing. You're going straight to where the money is. So pause right now, put in your city and the niche, and I guarantee you'll be shocked at how many businesses are near you that are sitting with no website and they have real money to spend. Now, here's where it gets even better, because Client Finder isn't just a lead finder. There's a built-in website builder inside. So here's my exact workflow. I find a roofer with no website on Client Finder. I use the builder to put together a clean professional site for them. Maybe take 5 to 10 minutes. Then I reach out to them and say, hey, I was looking for roofers in the area and I noticed you didn't have a website. I actually built one for you. Wanted to see if you'd like to take a quick look before I move on to someone else. That is a completely different conversation than just pitching your idea, because you're not asking for money. You've already built one for them, so you're providing free value. And the close rate on that approach is night and day. I guarantee you, within 100 calls, you can close at least 2 to 3 for at least $500 to $1,000 while just watching this video alone. Pricing for any local business without a website, you can charge anywhere from $500 to a one-time build up to like $1,500 if you package it with the hosting of their domain, like their www. Their business name. Now, that's a real number. It's not just hype. Like, I make that every single day. And because Client Finder shows you the revenue estimate on each business, you go into each conversation roughly knowing how much a business can afford to pay you. You're not leaving money on the table. You're not overpricing yourself out on the deal. Now, let's talk outreach, because this is where most people overthink and kill their momentum. The 3 channels that work. There's cold calling. For local businesses, it's a 60-second call that beats 50 emails every single time. Keep it short. Hey, I built you a website for your business like yours in your area. I already put something together for you. You got 30 seconds to take a look at it. That's it. They like it, then give it to them. They don't, move on. Now, Instagram or Facebook DM, a short video DM showing you literally the website you built them, and it is an insane conversion rate on doing this. Showing them providing free value, and they like it, they love it, and then you tell them in order to publish, it is X amount of money. Now, also, walking into businesses for restaurants, salons, gyms, physically walking in with your laptop, showing the owner their site in person, closes deal at a high. I'm talking 80% or higher. A lot of people do not teach this. You want to close a deal, walk in a business and physically show them the website that you built for them on clientfinder.com. Literally, the goal of all 3 is the same. Get them on a 15-minute call, or show them, get them interested, and try to close on the first contact. Just get the call. That is the easiest thing. All you need is that first initial response, and I promise you it gets easy, because you're selling them something that they don't have. Now, look, the combination of Client Finder and the system I just laid out is genuinely enough to start landing clients after watching this video, literally today. So, some of you will take this and run with it, but some of you want someone in your corner and you want feedback on the outreach. You want someone to look at your pricing and tell you if you're leaving money on the table. And if you're having a hard time pitching the idea to businesses, you want the shortcut. And that's kind of what my one-on-one mentorship is, or the inner circle is for. I only take on a limited people every single month that I work with. So the link is in the description if you want to apply for my one-on-one paid mentorship. So, and then we can book a call down below and we'll see if you fit, because I'm only taking serious people ready to start taking paying clients today, because I have a serious method that gets paying clients, and students are getting paying clients every single day, literally within the first week. And I'm guaranteeing you at least 3 clients in the next 30 days. So here's the recap. Millions of local businesses, real revenue, no website. That is your market. Client Finder finds them in minutes. The lead quality score, the revenue estimate, their info, all in one place. You build their site in 20 minutes, literally less than 20 minutes, actually maybe less than even 10, using the built-in web builder, and you show up with it already done. Once you book the meeting, you close, you get paid. It's that simple. You're selling them something that they need and getting paid to do it. And if you want me to walk alongside you, the Inner Circle Mentorship is in the description, as well as Client Finder is down below. But there is limited spots, so make sure you apply and make sure you are serious. And also drop a comment what niche you're going after first. And I do read comments, so also make sure you subscribe for more. And I will see you in the next video.